Happy New Year! I'm David Stark and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll look back at trends and economic forces influencing buyers and sellers during 2025 and look forward to 2026. Let's start with the home buying experience in the East Bay during 2025. Buyers had a lot more choices throughout the year. On average, there are more than 2,300 homes listed for sale each month. This was almost as high as pre-pandemic levels. So where did all these homes for sale come from? It wasn't necessarily from new construction. Rather, buyers had more choices because homes took longer to sell and carried over from month to month. Homes on the market an average of 29 days during 2025. That's almost 1 week longer than 2024. More time gave buyers more power, and many sellers had to adjust their expectation. Yes, there was some month-to-month price volatility. However, overall, the median sales price for a single-family detached home in the East Bay during 2025 was up slightly compared with 2024. Prices definitely had an impact on home sales. Even with more choices and more time to shop, home sales were down slightly compared with 2024. That was 2025. What about 2026? Potentially lower mortgage interest rates could bring more buyers into the market and convince more sellers to make a change, which will increase inventory. Homeowners' insurance rates and concerns about stock market portfolios could mean warm rather than hot real estate markets in the East Bay. Again, Happy New Year. We'll see you next month.